course, on the flip side, as a defense attorney, what do you think are the biggest weaknesses here when you're listening to what the prosecutors say, as well as reading the indictment?
Yeah, it's a really good question. I mean, I think the context is where the devil is going to be in the details in this case. What were these individuals speaking about? What were the totality of their text messages? What else was going on? Were these individuals placing multiple bets and on multiple players at the same time? Is there an innocent explanation for some of these bets and some of these pitches? And the other thing, of course, is that, while Major League Baseball pitchers are incredibly accurate and have an enormous amount of control over their pitches, they do make mistakes from time to time, right? They do intend to throw a strike, but ends up being a ball, and sometimes they accidentally throw it into the dirt. And so, I think as a defense lawyer, I think I would really be interested to dig very deep into the discovery that I would get from the Department of Justice, and really look at what the context is and what are these individuals talking about? What is their relationship? And really following the money trail, because the money trail is often how these cases are made or broken. And the money trail, if you read the indictment, looks pretty clear. But again, there are often other explanations for some of those transactions. And, as a defense lawyer, it's the devil's really in the details, and you got to really understand all of the details of what's happening, because the prosecution's burden is to prove these crimes beyond a reasonable doubt, and that's a pretty tall burden.